that thing started back up. We figured out what it was. Okay, that's one cut. Let's see what this thing looks like.
Ooh, it's heavy.
Yeah, it's gonna be heavy.
I look
Pretty on that, man. I think it's pretty. It's real nice.
heavy.
And that's pecan, right, Kelly?
That's pecan. That's South Texas pecan.
South Texas pecan. What's the difference between north, east, south, and west Texas pecan?
It's got a little Spanish accent when it gets south.
Bit of Spanish accent when it gets south.
Yeah.
Oh,
Further south you get.
Further south you get, got a little Spanish accent, huh?
Mm-hmm.
Ooh. So it got that little Mexican twang to it, huh?
And then the Bohemian get a hold of it.
Oh my Lord. Well, wood, I gotta say, that's a pretty nice wood right there.
Woo!
Look at that wood, would you? I'm happier than the pig eating shit.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, that stuff almost look like a beautiful cedar. Let me get back where you get me all wet. Yeah, sprinkle a little water on there. There you go, man. Make that thing look really, make it pop. Yeah, look at there, folks. I damn moved over to cut some pretty wood there.
Boy, that'd be pretty on the
Oh man, that's beautiful stuff.
on a bar.
Yeah, that's beautiful stuff. Where you get it? Where you get this stuff? Where you get this pecan at?
Coletto Creek,
Where's that at? Is that Alaska someplace?
south of Victoria.
Is that old Victoria? Where's Victoria? That's up about Alaska?
It's between Corpus and Houston.
Okay, now you got me. I got you there. I'm down.
Yeah, about halfway.
Well, this was an expensive log, wasn't it, Kelly? How many trucks you tear up?
I blowed my engine up. Head gasket blowed. And the wheel bearing on my trailer. We had a big load.
Well, you're supposed to haul on 50,000 pounds on a 20,000 pound trailer.
Well, we had enough room.
What I'm talking about, get the bang for the buck, huh?
Yeah, we had an empty spot, so we filled it up.
Damn. Them Bohemians are hell, ain't they?
Yeah, we go with the full load.
Make sure you get your money's worth on that gas trip.
Yeah, Ronnie blowed out of town. He had one of the big goosenecks like you got. I will bearing went out on my trailer.
Yeah, but hell, I can't afford
and
to
then I cracked my damn phone.
crack your phone.
Yeah, when changing the tire to rest area.
So you can't look for Sancho no more on it, huh?
Yeah, cracked my phone. Okay. See.
So what we gonna do next?
I'd like a bookie.
Huh? That wood is really, really nice. That pecan turned out a little bit, way better than what I thought it was gonna be. That's some pretty stuff right there. Can you imagine what it looked like? You put some stain on there, or some lacquer, or some kind of finish, mineral oil, anything. Boy, that sure make a nice fireplace mantle. Nice shelf, anything like that.
See, we'll go down one more inch and a quarter, but I got to go get me another drink.
What you gotta go do?
I got to get some more alcohol.
You gotta get some more alcohol.
I ought to change that blade. That's going to be faster.
You wrecked them?
Yep.
Okay. Stay tuned, folks. We'll continue here shortly.
Hey,
Okay, Boo Bro, what we doing now?
we're going to... I think that's going to get it.
You gonna get what?
Going to cut. It's probably going to cut on up into here. And that's just going to be a waste piece. And I'm going to get this knot.
You gonna get that knot?
I'm going to get that knot out of there.
I tried to get a knot last night.
I was all tied up in the knot. I tied mine up in the knot at night.
You tied up in a knot at night?
Mm-hmm.
Well, shit, you had nobody sleep with last night.
I mean, I had tied up in a knot.
Oh.
It's your won't knot.
So she won't knot? Hey guys, we're gonna kind of cut the edge of this off to make it a little more square and uniform. The Boudreaux got his own Norwood cranked up. Let's even run this down. We got the fuel policy. There it goes. Oh, look at it run through there old stuff. There's nothing to get there. So you got that methanol and that alcohol going now, huh?
Yeah, everything running smooth.
It's running smooth. That thing sounds like got a cam in it, one of them 358 Chevrolet racing cams in it.
It's a Honda.
Honda. What's that?
Honda.
Honda.
Like a motorcycle.
Like a motorcycle. Okay. Okay, man, he got his square out there now. Let's see, man, he get all technical on me. Yeah, look backwoods here, Billy. We don't ever get that damn technical. I guess he thinks he's running a production facility here or something. Here he goes again. What you gonna do with that?
You make a good tire.
Guitar.
Okay.
Now we need to flip it back and start cutting slabs again, right?
Yep.
Alright.
That's what I'm thinking.
Okay, Boo Bro, what we gonna do now?
Drink?
You gonna drink? Okay, he gotta get his Kool-Aid. He gotta get his alcohol. It's all got methanol. And then what we're gonna do with this piece of wood?
I bought.
Cause they don't call that stick, that's pussy willow.
Yeah. I'm gonna be like a termite. I'm fixing to tear into it.
You gonna tear into it, huh? You sure you know how to run that thing?
Well, as more of this, everything gets primed up, it gets better.
Gets better? Everything gets primed up. Okay. I guess that's well thought out.
Yeah. Just like me and my friends, we cut so much wood that one day I had a mess. Then my friends all left me.
You had a mess? Where was the mess at? In the wood or in your pants?
And wood all over here. We cut this, we cut everything. Everything we could, we cut. All right.
I think we're fixing to rip and roar now.
Yeah. If I hit it right there, it's gonna be kind of high over yonder. Nah, it's gonna be all right. Right, go there. Daddy know what he's doing, ain't he? Huh? Come out, put out. I'm gonna let them sing. Come out, put out. The bow.
They hunt squirrels.
Yeah, I think he is. Come here. Come here now. I know.
Here come one of them right there.
Right.
There he is.
Right. Where's the boat? Where's the boat? I need all of y'all to sing. Y'all gonna sing? Y'all gonna sing? Hey.
Here come the fourth.
There's the boat. Y'all gonna sing? What? Y'all gonna say? Who wants to say? Who wants to say? Y'all gonna say? Y'all gonna say? Got that out of the way.
Alright, here we go. We're gonna see if we cut this pecan wood. Oh, there it goes. You know, this stuff kind of looks like it's similar to a black maple. A walnut or something like that. You know, that's a pretty nice wood. Again, we're still cutting that pecan. So Budo, he gonna knock that dust off of it. Check out that green pattern. He gonna put a little water on it. Look at that grain pattern pop. What do you think about that, Boo-Ro?
I like it. I like it. That's pretty. It's just like a Christmas present.
No, it's like a
You
box
don't
of
know what you got till you open it up.
No, like Forrest Gump always said, you know, it's like a box of chocolates. You never know what you're gonna find until you get into it. Real nice. I like that.
See where we at?
Oh, here, you're gonna adjust it again. We're gonna make another step. You're gonna get all technical on me. Oh, he got his glasses on. He getting real serious now. He got glasses on. Why you put them things on your head?
So I can see.
So you can see. Oh, hell. Can you see your wife?
Inch and a quarter.
Ain't gotta be exact, just dial it in. Oh no, here you go with a square again. Damn, I think he's fascinated with that square.
And I ride on that money.
Right on that money, he said. Boo-Bro, I think you got another $1 million board there.
Well, you know, I think about If I flip it, I'm gonna get wider boards on that other side.
You gonna get wider board?
Yeah, wider boards.
Wider board. What's a wider board?
They're gonna be wider.
Wider, okay.
Yeah, it's gonna be wider.
Wider. Okay, I like it turn wider. Oh, here he goes. He's gonna get his broom.
Oh, I thought that was a nail.
I thought that's part of your blade. Ooh, hell. Check that out, folks. Now that is nice. You would ever thought? Oh boy!
Look out
I
there.
lost my buddy.
Cameraman.
Cameraman. That's, you know, you can't see. You ain't got no glasses on.
Huh?
Well, folks.
What do you think?
I think it's real nice.
I think we need to maybe. Won't flip it.
I
You get better water.
I think you need to put some water on it.
I'll put some water on it.
Show your viewers out there, you know, in Hollywood, what it really looks like. Meaning you're gonna become a celebrity. You're gonna be a celebrity on YouTube. Don't play with it too long.
I like it.
Oh yeah, me too.
Woo.
I gotta say, folks, I've cut a lot of wood with my old homemade sawmills. You'll see in a lot of my other videos. And I've never cut any pecan, but we got old Boudreaux here. He's cutting this pecan. I'm pretty impressed with it. It's really a nice
Got
wood.
plenty of pecan over here. We nuts.
Hold on, what? What'd
We
you say?
nuts down here.
We nuts? Tell them in the camera here what you got.
We nuts. We got the nuts.
Yeah, y'all stay tuned. You know, we hook you up with Kelly here. Y'all need some of this pecan wood. He got plenty of it
I
out
got
here.
plenty of pecan. Nuts grow wild down here.
I think we're too nuts too.
Mm-hmm. There's a dang mantle. Going to a buddy of mine.
Ooh, that's a big mantle. That's a heavy one there.
Woo!
And where you say that stuff come out of again?
Coletto.
Coletto. That's close to Arizona, right?
It's closer to Victoria than Arizona.
Ah, okay. That's down there on the Mexican border, or is that down
No, it's 45 minutes from here. Depends what kind of truck you got.
there? How fast you drive?
Yeah.
Yeah, okay.
If you got a good truck, you can get there faster. If you got a bad truck, you can get there later, you know.
It depends how much ethanol and alcohol you got.
Yeah, and who stops you.
Yeah, okay. That's a good way to put it.
Yep. So